Tatami. If you have concern, like one scare and dark spot, while offering a pleasant fragrance and secure packaging that the overall experience enchants, I hope this product that we're going to unbox and do a review will help you to overcome that. Hello guys, this items is a facial toner, water essence to help to brighten our skin its health. Diminish, blemish, and enhance skin clarity, making it a reliable choice for skincare routine. This brightening toner contains glutathione toning water essence. This multi-functional toner balances the pH monthly of skin following. Cleansing comes and provides perfect preparation to receive porture skin nutrition and promote a more even skin tone and radiant completion by targeting concern like dark spot, sun, spot, acne scare, and dullness. They often contain ingredients that exfoliate, hydrate, and brighten. The skin is product also help minimize the appearance of pores and will lead to a smoother, more refined skin texture. It's really convenient to use, cost, and safe. I like in this product also, guys, because of its multifaceted approach to improve skin growth, targeting hyperpigmentation, and preparing the skin for other products for us women. It's important to take care of it because it's one of our assets. And it's important to give attention. Sometimes these toners go behind traditional formulas offering these benefits. It's wonderful besides it's easy to use. Just use it offering washing your face and just use it daily. So guys, if you want your skin glow and looks fresh, just visit AliExpress now and order this one. Pretty sure you're gonna like it too. That's our video for today. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.